Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and since Halloween is coming up, today I'm going to make pumpkin chicken alfredo. This recipe includes olive oil, cloves of garlic, 1 can of pumpkin puree, 2 packs of linguine noodles, 1 pack of chicken breasts, pink salt, ground nutmeg, freshly shaved Parmesan cheese, black pepper, and heavy whipping cream. First, we're going to start with the chicken. Make sure to wash the chicken before getting a cutting board and brushing it with olive oil. Once you have brushed each chicken breast with olive oil, let's sprinkle some garlic and pepper seasoning on each chicken for flavor. Now, let's take a pot and boil it with water and sprinkle some salt. And once your water is boiling, you can add your 2 boxes of linguine noodles. Once you have added your 2 boxes of linguine noodles, stir occasionally and let them cook for 10 minutes. While our noodles are cooking, let's take a separate pot and turn on our stove to medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once our butter is melted, we can add our 2 chicken breasts to the pot and cook each side for 5 to 7 minutes. Now that one side is cooked, let's flip them over and let them cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Once they are ready, take a bowl and take out the cooked chicken breasts and let's add our extra chicken breasts and repeat the process. Now let's use the same pot and add our 6 tablespoons of butter and let it melt. Once our butter is melted, let's add our 2 cloves of garlic and let it fry. When sauteing the garlic, you can notice that it has a very strong smell. Escuché que los vampiros odian el ajo. Now that our garlic has been sauteed, let's add in our 1 can of pumpkin puree. It's not pumpkin chicken alfredo without pumpkin puree. Once our pumpkin puree has been cooked a little, let's add in half a cup of our pasta water and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Once you have added your liquid ingredients, let's stir until creamy. Once your sauce is creamy, chop up your cooked chicken and add it to the sauce and stir. If you want to have that special taste to your pasta, you gotta add half a cup of freshly shaved Parmesan cheese. Once you have added your Parmesan, stir until melted. Now it's time to add in our seasonings. First, add in a few dashes of black pepper, a couple of dashes of pink salt, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Nutmeg is optional when cooking this dish. I just wanted to add it to give it a stronger flavor and to give warmth and depth to the dish. And once that's all done, add your noodles to the pot and stir. Maybe we were better off with only 1 box, but you know what they say, more the merrier. Also, if you're wondering how to say pumpkin chicken alfredo in Spanish, it's Alfredo de pollo con calabaza. And now, it's time to try our pumpkin chicken alfredo, and I won't cap. This dish has a rich and creamy taste with a hint of sweetness from the pumpkin. The nutmeg really gives it a nice flavor for the fall season. You can taste the pumpkin but barely, but this is still a great dish for the fall season, or if you want to have any Halloween parties. Speaking of Halloween, I highly doubt I'm going to see any trick-or-treaters this year in my neighborhood. My neighborhood just isn't meant for Halloween. But that's okay, I'm getting too old for Halloween anyways. The last time I went trick-or-treating was in 2019 with a group of friends when I still lived in West Chase, Tampa. Good times. Does not feel like it's been that long ago. Time just goes by so fast. But this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, and happy Halloween!